Now this video is for you if you have a home office, if you spend money on office equipment or furniture, or maybe even shelving, or if you're just trying to determine if you qualify for the home office deduction on this year's tax return. Hey guys, it's Paula again, and I want to come today to talk to you about the deductible expenses for your home office. Now, as you know, there are a lot of IRS rules regarding deductions for your home office expenses. So taking time to understand and properly apply these deductions, they can pay off if you're a telecommuter or if you're a business owner that works from your home. Now, when figuring out which home office expenses are deductible, the IRS separates those less permanent items from the actual space itself, the home office itself. For example, if you're a home business owner, or maybe you're an independent contractor, and you may have furniture or equipment, those things are deductible on your Schedule C, right? That self-employment tax return. However, if you want to deduct the actual use of part of your house as a business deduction, now that's a completely different form altogether. And you want to stick around to hear more about which expenses can be deducted. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about the different types of home office deductible expenses. Now, there are two types of deductible home expenses. They're direct and indirect expenses. Direct home office expenses, they relate to the actual workspace. So this would include things like repairs and paint inside of your office. Now remember, direct home office expenses, they are fully deductible. Now, the second one is indirect home office expenses. Now, this relates to the home and the parts of your house that the office is actually inside of. The indirect expenses are only partially deductible. This would be things like your utilities and your mortgage interest. Those are examples of indirect expenses. Now, unfortunately, unrelated home expenses like lawn care, painting a room outside of the office, those are not deductible for your home office. But the good news is that both direct and indirect home office expenses can be deducted to save you a few dollars. So be sure to keep those expenses together throughout the year. Keep track of them instead of trying to calculate them when it's tax time. And this is going to help you to save a lot of time and a lot of errors along the way. Now, if you need additional support, be sure to click the link in the post to schedule a virtual coffee chat with me. And in the meantime, remember to live freely.